Hello everyone. Today our topic is the difference between the terrorists and the militants. As we know that in Pahalgam on 22nd April, nearly 26 people were killed by the terrorists in Pahalgam in Baisaran Valley. Because we never expect that in this place terrorists will come, terrorists will attack, terrorists will create violence against me. We never expect, but we should know some awareness about that, because we don't know who are the terrorists, who are the militants. First of all, militants groups are individuals who are engaged in fighting against the military or government personnel, not the civilians. These people are called militants. The characteristics of these militants are creating violence for the political purpose and the ideological purpose. On the other hand, terrorists, some groups are individuals who are actively fighting against the civilians or non-combatants. These people are the terrorists. The characteristics of these terrorists are creating violence and creating tactics against the civilians and non-combatants. These people are called terrorists. Yes, we are all know that in Pahalgam on 22nd April, they are called as a terrorists, not a militants, because they were not went to the fight with military. They come for attacking on civilians or non-combatants. These people are called terrorists. They only creating a terrorism, creating a fear on the people and also the government. So the terrorism is more heinous crime than the militants, because militants only fight against the military, because military persons are some trained persons and also they have some weapons for fighting. Okay, the people do their duty, while the other hand terrorists only focusing on civilians, because they have not a trained people, they have no weapons, because they come for enjoyment, for some free from stress, for the to the tourist places. So these people were very dangerous. Those who creating against the civilians, these people are not a these people were creating a heinous crimes against the people. So we should mind it. These terrorism and militants, two types of people are there. So militants only focusing on the military, but terrorists focusing on the civilians. but sometimes interchangeable, because sometimes interchangeable. They attacking on military, on the other hand they attacking on civilians also. This is another case. But we in Pahalgam we have observed only they attacking on civilians, so these people are called terrorists, not the militants. Okay, while the two cases are there. While only the attacking on civilians, only the attacking on militants, military peoples. Okay, on the other hand attacking on both military and the civilians also. These three cases are there, but two types of organizations are there, but they belongs to they might be belongs to same group or same movement or same organization, because they come from larger community, larger organization or larger movement. They might be belongs to same organization, but they creating sometimes terrorism, they creating sometimes creating a violence against the military. So be aware of it and be mindful of it. So thank you everyone. I hope my words are reaching to you. Thank you so much. Thank you.